Legal Shield family, happy December. That's right, it's December, our last month of 2025. Now, I know that many of you have been running really hard all year. It is not the time to slow down. Right now is the time to keep up that pace. We're kind of in the holiday festive time of the year, and I know we want to spend a lot of time with our friends and family. This is the time of the year when you pay attention to the conversations. People are thinking about, well, doing some New Year's resolution. They're thinking about getting their affairs in order, which means ding, 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 possibly getting that will done. Or they're thinking about what do they want to do in 2026? Do they want to have additional income? Do they want to do something different in their life in 2026? Ding, ding, ding. That could mean that maybe they want to finally hear about an opportunity that we can share with them. There's always something that we can listen for while we're talking to friends and families, while we're at our events celebrating this time of the year. You may also hear people say they've been frustrated through this year about their job, about their finances. Maybe they've been frustrated about some of the things that has happened to them in life in 2025. Keep your eyes and ears open and simply say things like this. Hey, listen, are you serious about making that change? Are you serious about doing something different in 2026? Are you serious about getting your affairs in order in 2026? Because if you are, I know it's not the time possibly to talk about it right at this minute at this event, but I'd like to talk to you because I know that I can help you with some of those changes, right? Just jump into a conversation, not a sales pitch, and see what we can do to help them with some of those concerns or some of those resolutions that they're looking to set for 2026. Also, be prepared to share things with people because maybe they'll say, well, what exactly do you mean? Or could you share anything briefly with me about what you're talking about? And I mentioned this on the last call. We have these mobile app cards, right? These very nicely designed cardboard type, right? Mobile app cards that we can say, hey, listen, don't want to get into it right now, but maybe you take this and look at it a little bit later. Maybe scan this QR code a little bit later and then give me a call so we can discuss it a little bit later, right? Just be prepared with some information just in case that conversation extends a little bit. Now, many of us are going to be shopping during the holiday. And while we're shopping, we're also going to be walking into small businesses. I hope that you're not doing all your shopping online, and I hope that you're not doing all your shopping with big business. I hope you're supporting small business in your community. Have these as well when it comes to the small business needs, right?